Welcome to Auto. In this guide, I will show you how to factory reset your Samsung soundbar with a simple step-by-step method.
Method 1. Using the remote. Step 1. Turn on your Samsung soundbar. Step 2. Press and hold volume down and source buttons together. Step 3. Keep holding for 5 to 10 seconds until the display shows INIT OK. Step 4. Release the buttons. Your soundbar is now reset. Method 2. Using the soundbar buttons. Step 1. Turn on your soundbar. Step 2. Press and hold the volume down button on the soundbar. Step 3. While holding it, press the power button. Step 4. Keep holding for 5 to 10 seconds until the display shows INIT OK. Step 5. Release the buttons. The reset is complete.